Hi, I am Lalit Vasist. Friends, are you going to buy a microwave oven? If yes, then you must watch this video completely before purchasing it. In this video, I will tell you what are different types of microwave ovens available in the market. And out of these different types, which microwave oven will best suit your needs and your pocket. In this video, I will discuss what are different technologies that are used in different types of microwave ovens and what type of food can be cooked in these microwave ovens that are based on different technologies. I will also demonstrate how to operate this microwave oven that you are seeing here by explaining its various functions available on the control panel. This is the IFB20SC2 microwave oven. It is a convection type microwave oven. It also has basic microwave or solo function and grill function along with the convection technology. We are using this microwave oven at our home. It works absolutely fine without any problem and we are very happy with it. If you are planning to buy a microwave oven, I would suggest to buy this one as I'm using it myself without any issues. So if you are interested in buying this microwave oven, you can click on the link that I have provided in the description of this video. You can check it out. So friends, first start with different types of microwave ovens available in the market based on various technologies. Now we will discuss the technology that is used in these three different types of microwave ovens: solo, grill and convection, one by one, and also what type of food we can easily prepare in these different types of microwave ovens. So let's first start with the solo microwave oven. Solo microwave oven is the cheapest one in comparison to grill and convection type. Actually, the microwave contains a magnetron device, and this magnetron device can produce high frequency. Because of this high frequency, the water molecules present in the food are vibrated and they get heated up. So we can use the solo microwave oven for basic microwave operations like reheating, defrosting and cooking. We can use it to defrost the meat, reheat the food and pizza. We can also make noodles, pasta, and also can make coffee, boil milk and potatoes. Different types of vegetables we can make in this solo microwave oven. Now the next comes is the grill type of microwave oven. In grill type of microwave ovens, it contains heating coils that are placed at some locations in the microwave, and they can produce the grilling effect. We can grill the food and can toast it, okay? Roasting effect and grilling effect. Okay, we can make different food items in grill microwave ovens, like we can grill tikkas and paneer, vegetables, tandoori chicken, sandwich, kebab, and all the food items that we can make in solo type. They can also be prepared in grill type. The third one is the convection type of microwave oven. This is most expensive in comparison to solo and grill because of its facilities, as we can cook all the items in convection that can be prepared in solo and grill. So this is the reason they are most expensive. The microwave oven that you are seeing here is convection type, and it also contains grill and microwave functions. So what is the technology that is used in convection type? Actually, fans are used in this type of convection microwave, and they can circulate the hot air inside the microwave oven, and it makes the food brown and crispier as it heats up the outer layer of the food. Also, this oven contains heaters at the top and bottom cavity of the microwave oven, and they can perform different operations like grilling and also baking, roasting, and the food gets browny in this convection as it heats up the outer surface of the food. As I told you, we can cook all the items that can be cooked in solo and grill type. Along with this, the extra things that we can cook in this convection microwave are like we can make cookies and breads, we can roast meat, it can be used for baking cakes and making pizzas and brownies, etc. So this is the most advanced in comparison to other two types, grill and solo. So now we will see different functions of this convection microwave having all the functions of grill and solo. So we will see how we can operate this, and different buttons that you can see on this panel. We will understand all of these. So let's start the demo of this product. So friends, we have discussed different types of microwave ovens based on technologies: solo, grill and convection type. Now it's time to understand different functions that you can see on my microwave oven and its different parts and its basic structure. So let's first start with the basic structure of this microwave oven, how it looks from outside and inside. You see, this is the outside view, and from inside, open the door and see here the basic things. You can see we have a grill function in this microwave. Here is the grill function, okay, and also convection function. For grill we need heating coils. So this is the coil, you can see in the top side, they gets heated up and food is grilled. And for convection purpose we need hot air circulation inside this microwave cabin. So these holes you can see, this is for hot air circulation. Fans are there for hot air, and this is the base for cooking. You will put the food over this. If you are making a pizza or a cake like thing, so you can put it on this. This is the base for food. Along with this you will see two base, one is of lower height and another is of higher height. Why this is so? If the height of the food is or you can say if the size of the food is small and you want to grill, since these bases are for grilling purpose, so you can put the food of a small size or height on this higher sized base, because for grilling purpose you will need these coils, and we want minimum distance between the food and heating coils for grilling it fast. But if the food is having good height, then you can do with this simple lower height food base, okay, for grilling purpose, because the distance would be enough if it is already of a larger height. This is for convection, I have already told you. Now it's time to see the basic functions. Close the door. I will show you by a simple task of heating the water. So first of all, switch on the button, okay. Now one important thing that I want to tell you is you need to wait for some time, and after waiting you do not click on this start button just after turning on the power. You need to wait until you hear a beep sound. Did you hear that? So after this the start function will work. This is start button, and you can see this is for stop and reset button. Let's heat some water. One thing while heating, while using utensils for microwave oven, you should keep in mind that you should either use plastic utensils or only the glass utensils. If you want to use simple glass or plastic utensils, you should use it maximum for 1 to 2 minutes. But if you want to use it for longer time, you need to use special utensils for microwave oven. I'm using a pot made for microwave oven. First of all, I will open the door and put it inside it. Okay, you can see lights, beautiful lights, and close the door. This is the display. You see it is asking for time clock. Here is the time buttons. This is for minutes, these two buttons for incrementing 1 minute, 2 minutes in the multiple of 1 minute, okay, and this is for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, okay. And in the same way these two buttons are for seconds, multiple of 1 second, okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and this is for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, in this way 10 seconds multiple. So let's press this, let's use this for minutes. Click on this 1 minute, you see 1 minute, and if I again press it, it will be 2 minutes and 3 minutes, okay. And now just click on start, okay. This is start, and you will see it is rotating. The pot is rotating inside the microwave oven. Still 2 minutes remaining, but I think it's enough, so I will stop it. If you will click it for the first time, it will stop, and on pressing the same button for second time, it will reset. So click it, stop. It has stopped, okay. If you want to resume it, you can again press start button and it will resume from this time, okay. So I don't want to do so, so I will click on stop. If you want to clear it, then again press this button. It is reset, okay. Now see, this water has become very hot. Oh my god, I can see the vapor coming out. It's so hot. Now we will see different other functions. Meet my son Lavya. Hello Lavya. He is interrupting me. Baby. Okay, let's resume. Now we will see more functions. Next comes the weight defrost. This is very interesting button. This is weight defrost. What is its purpose? It is for defrosting purpose. When you take out any food from the refrigerator and wants to eat it, you can put it in the microwave oven and press this button and it will come to your normal room temperature. And why it is weight defrost? Weight means, let's press it, you will see what is it, 100 grams. If you press it again, it will come to 200 grams. So you will enter the amount of food according to its weight and it will adjust its timing and press on start. Okay, so it has automatically taken time of 8 minutes for a food of this much amount that we have set, and it will automatically stop. I'm stopping it in the middle. So this is its function. If I wanted to reset it, I will press the reset button. On clicking it second time, it will be cleared. Now the next function is express cooking. You can see here it is express cooking. So how does it work? It is a shortcut for cooking, as the name suggests, express, because you need not to enter timing after pressing it. See what happens on pressing it. Let's click. It is giving you time 30 seconds, and you can increase the time by multiple times pressing it. Okay, 4 minutes, 23 seconds, 5 minutes. Okay, so in this way you need not to use these timing functions. Click on stop and again press it for reset. You see, screen is cleared, display is cleared. Now other functions that are remaining here are this microwave power level, okay, and timer, micro plus convection, micro plus grill. It is for grilling purpose and it is for convection purpose. In this, fans will be used for making the food brown and crispy outer surface, and grilling is in this function, heaters will be used, coil heater will be used. And this is micro plus grill, microwaves will be used and heater will be used. And in this, micro plus convection, microwaves and convection fans will be used. Okay, both. Whenever we were using it, look, one thing that let's press 1 minute time. Okay, set 1 minute time and press start. Let me show you something. So here you can see on the screen it is written micro. Can you see it? It is micro. So micro function is working. Okay, stop it and reset it. And let me show you how the grill and convection functions are used. Let's press on grill. Okay, so you will see that on the display grill is written. Here it is written grill, G-R-I-L-L. Okay, and now heaters of microwave oven will be used. All you need to do is just set timer and just press start. Now stop it. So in this way you can use anything like grill or convection mode. If I am pressing this micro and grill, so see here it is written grill and here it is micro, and reset it, and on pressing micro plus convection, you see what is written here. Here it is written CONV, convection and micro. Okay, so I am resetting it by double pressing this button. So now you know all the functions. We already know why grill is used, when we use grill and when we use convection. I have already explained it earlier in this video, and 4 functions we now know. This is a timer, clock timer. Okay, I'm pressing clock timer. Okay, you can add any amount of time for minutes, and this is for seconds. Okay, you already know it. And now the one remaining is only the microwave power level. So first reset it by pressing it twice. Let's see what is this microwave power level. Click on this and you will see it is written PH1, means power high. Okay, and if I again press it, what will happen? It is written P90, and again press it, you will see P80, P70, so power 70%. P90 means power 90% of the power high. Okay, so in this way you can set the power level of, it is written here, it is micro. So in microwave function, you are having 70% power of the highest power available. Now simply reset it. So now you understood all the functions, these timing functions, okay, and this grill, convection, micro, these all I have covered. Okay, and now this is very simple one. You need not to adjust time or anything else. You need not to select whether you should use grill or convection. This is ready-made buttons for bread and snack, for reheat purpose, beverage, okay, any liquid type, milk or anything, and stuffed veg, and this is for rice dishes and desi masala mix and tandoori dhaba and dessert. Okay, you simply press and press the button according to the food item. Let's click on bread snack. So here it is written, just press this and click on start. Okay, it's automatically setting the time. Okay, reset it, and for anything like beverages, click on this and click on enter. Okay, it has already taken time of 1.5 minutes, so stop it. So friends, in this way now we know different functions of the microwave, all these buttons, how do they work, and various parts of microwave and its structure, external and interior structure of it, and different types of microwave ovens that are available in the market, and what you should buy according to your needs and what your pocket allows. So I hope guys you liked the video and found the video interesting and useful. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Engineering Made Easy, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.